Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have owner permissions and any billing implications. Without owner, you cannot delete the project. Next, export Firestore, copy storage buckets, and note API keys so you can restore data if needed. Once done, open the Firebase console, use the project picker to select the exact project name, and make sure it's the one you intend to remove. This reduces accidental loss and speeds the deletion steps that follow. Now you disable active services, turn off authentication providers, and rotate or revoke API keys, then disable hosting and stop cloud functions and any scheduled jobs so nothing restarts. Make sure to unlink or delete Google Cloud resources attached to the project like pub/sub, BigQuery datasets, or VM. Leaving them can prevent clean deletion. Also review IAM to remove other owners if necessary. These steps ensure no residual services block the delete operation and prevent surprise charges. Finally, go to Project Settings and click Delete Project. You'll be asked to type the project ID or confirm a phrase. Do that carefully and submit. After confirmation, monitor the Firebase and Google Cloud consoles because deletion can take minutes to hours as resources are cleaned up. If deletion fails, check for remaining active billing accounts, enabled APIs, or lingering service accounts and resources. Resolve those and retry. If needed, contact Google Cloud support with the project ID for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.